the CJN of Nigeria owes all Imo people explanation. In the previous judgments they have given in the state, Imo people want to know whether somebody who is not a candidate of his party will come out to win an election. By the same Supreme Court judgment, which declared who is a candidate of the parties. Until that is explained, the Imo people will be looking at the Supreme Court with contempt. Clearly. And this one is not, there's no ambiguity about it. So, and this is what is coming up now, what is affecting us now. The Imo people want to know whether Nigeria is practicing independent candidacy, whether a candidate can emerge as a governor without being the candidate of his party. So these confusions have put Imo State in darkness. It has put a kind of doubt on whether, Imo people should even come out and vote or not. It has created a whole lot of crisis in Imo State. The security situation in Imo State is so much. People like me that are talking, there's vigilance, or they're placing vigilance on my house in the village, for talking, for daring to talk. So everybody is being cowed not to say what I have said now. So, but it is a matter that with time, and it is a crisis that the Supreme Court has put Imo State into. So they need to clean their house. They need to wash their hands off like Pontius Pilate.